I'm going to show you how to do Washington's face. All right. Now that we got the rock done, I'm going to show you how to do Washington's face. So Washington is literally, if you were to take his forehead or whatnot, his eyes are way up here. So let's lift him up a little bit. His hair would be kind of, I believe, right here. Okay, so we're going to lift him up a little bit, about maybe an inch or two. Okay, this is the outline of his hair. Now his chin comes between our friend's mouth here. So let's kind of, get that in. Right? He almost kind of has like this, I don't know how to describe it, but this kind of like this shading. That makes sense. His wig lines up to Jackson's eyes. So let's put the wig in. Let's shade it. Or smudge it, rather. So his wig's here. Goes out just a little bit. Let's give it some definition here. Okay. We have Jackson's temple here. But this is the rest of Washington's hair. Right here. So, excuse me. So his chin is here. And the top of his head is here. So let's kind of, split it into thirds. If that were the case, his brow line would be up here. And his eyes would be right here. His nose, well, his mouth would be right here. And his nose would be somewhere around here. And there's just a tiny sliver of his nose popping out from the picture that we're dealing with here. In fact, I probably won't even worry about the picture, honestly. Let's chop off his nose right here. Give him some more leeway. He has kind of a Roman nose-ish too, I think. He's got temples here. He's got this weird wig thing going on. Let's soften this up so we know what we're dealing with here. All right, so we're going to define his chin. We're going to define his brow line. We're going to define his nose. Looks like he has a sloping nose here. We'll lift this. Just a tad. Shade it out. Add his eyelid. Lighten this just a tad. Add some texture in there. Clean everything up. And I think we have Washington. Add some definition in Roosevelt's face. Some darkness in Abe's. And then we have a pine tree. Which we're going to use the scribbling technique on. With some definition. Bada boom, bada bang. Go ahead and bring that pine tree out by using the negative drawing technique. And then darken your values where you see fit. Add some texture in there. And that, my friend, will tell you about Rushmore. That was kind of tricky, wasn't it?